Right, so in this video we're going to be having a look at a Sovereign chainsaw. It's a Sovereign pcs38z and runs perfectly fine, nothing wrong with it. But I noticed I left it overnight on my workbench after the initial test to see if it works, and it was leaking out fuel all out the bottom. And I think it's a fuel tank that's got some sort of issue. So what I need to do is take it apart a bit and have a look to see exactly what's wrong with it. Now I don't know how easy it's going to be finding if it is a fuel tank, say got a splitting or something. Hopefully it's just a whole hose broke by the tank. But if it is the fuel tank, I don't know how easy it is to find one. So yeah, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you know every time I upload. Leave a comment in this video. Like the video for more content. I'm going to have loads of stuff coming up hopefully soon. So yeah, let's get into this one. So I'll just show you it working. On start. Chokes on. So I think we've hit the problem. You see that black hose? Watch when I press. See that? Yeah, there's our problem. That's the issue. So let me take this off now fully, and we'll be back. What I'm going to do is take the carb off, just so I can disconnect it from the bottom of the carb. So what we got. So most of the bolts was T25. This one's a T20 by the looks of it. That's T20. Just try and keep the bolts together. That's the easiest way when it comes to putting it back together, when you've got different bolt sizes. So what we got? So that's that off. So how do we take this off? It does look like that comes off from there. Wait. This is a stranger. This is like flexible though. It's oh yeah, it's right perished. I'm not sure how you actually take this plastic. Is it just connect? How does this bit stay on? That's the question. Looks like it's got plastic tabs. Have a look around and see if I can figure out how on earth you take it off. So there's definitely no bolts. Hang on, unless you take the bolts off from there, it all comes off with it. There's one. So how's everyone been? I hope you've been well. So yeah, the other day I done a live. We had Bruce up, Bruce's shop. I was honoured to have Bruce's shop up on the panel. Very good, very good. Yeah, that one's to play up. Looks like someone's already had a give at that one. So let's try a flathead. See if that'll help us out. Just to fit it like that. You want one a bit bigger than that, just so it fits nicely. And you just want to fit it in before you start. There we go. There we go. That's that. So hopefully now this whole thing comes off. Hey, there we go. So it did. I was right with the clips. So it does clip in as well. It's not too dirty in here compared to some chainsaws I've worked on. Well, I know the carb's clean. Get that off. Hate it when I'm a pain like this. There we go. That goes off there. That one went in. The second one from the bottom. Oh, actually, it comes off there as well. So, second one from the bottom, second hole from the bottom. That's a throttle cable. Quite nice throttle cable. You know, you wouldn't think. I don't think it's done much work, to be honest. So, what carburetor has it got on? God knows, some starts with a H. So that's the pipe. Well, let's take the choke off. And you push that back. That's on the first lever. So it goes something like that. Just, you know, I'm doing this video so it helps me to remember where everything goes. What we'll do, disconnect this pipe now. Some road, there we go. That's the pipe what's causing us issues, this flexible one. I'll probably have to order another one of them in, because I don't know if you can use normal. I'll probably put this out as a part 1 tonight, so I can ask people if you can just use a normal pipe on that flexible weird looking one, because that's the one what's in fault. I hate it when the pipes don't come off easy. Yeah, the weather's been nice round here. Dreadful. Absolutely dreadful weather we've been having. I need to get myself some nose pliers or something. Just every time I keep forgetting to put order in it. Going to break. I hate how much of a pain these pipes can be to come off. It's when you've got these big massive chunky hands. I don't care if it snaps at this point. Right, I should be able to keep that there though. I'll keep that there. That saves me taking it off, don't it? Really. So yeah, it's this pipe what's in fault. As you can see, it's got an hole in. What I'm going to do is just separate this. This is why I had to take all of this off, because I was just going to separate it, but couldn't just separate it. What I'll do is take this last screw out of here. This next one down is T20. I'll just pop that out of here, and just make sure the tank ain't leaking. There we go. This is a dual tank, remember, you've got your oil. Oil and petrol in one tank. Pretty cool design. Hey. Well, that's snapped, but that don't really matter. A bit of soft cushion. Oh no, we tanked them single tanks. I thought it was a dual tank. Okay. So that's the oil tank. I don't think it's got much in the line of oil left in. It's got a bit in at the bottom. But we'll dry these off and let them sit overnight, and just to make sure they're not leaking as well. And there's our fuel tank. Put that back on there. So that's a filter line I need. Yeah, that's a filter line what's knackered. So I'll have a look, see if I can get a new one of these star lines. I haven't actually seen these lines about. Oh God, I'm gonna absolutely soak myself in fuel. But as you can see, it's just sitting here and it's leaking out of there. Yeah, it's just sitting there and it's actually leaking out there. So that's the issue. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to see if I can get a part. I'll probably put this video up tonight. So if anyone can help me, see if I can just put a normal pipe on that, or do I have to get one of these flexible, bouncy, weird looking things. So yeah, I'll catch you in part 2 when we hopefully put it back together and fire it up. And someone please remind me where that spring goes. See you in the next one. Job's not a good one, but it's almost there.